Hi, myself Smrutiranjan Muduli. I am a student of Trytoon Academy, Bhubaneswar. I am studying Bachelor in Fashion Designing. Now I am in final year. Trytoon is the best college in the East India, affiliated to Utkal University of Culture. When I joined Trytoon Academy, I didn't know anything about fashion designing, but the college and its faculty supported me a lot. The college is very nice and well organized. Method of learning and classrooms are very nice. They will provided you all the equipments and facilities required for the studies. The best thing about Trytoon Academy is it have a bunch of very experienced and talented faculties. Trytoon is the right path to expand and go towards our dream. I am feeling proud and blessed to have a part of this college. My college is the best college.